What's up, you guys? So today I am going to Med Skin Essentials, and it's where I get my lips done, so I'm very excited. So I'm gonna show you guys before, and I'm like so hyped because I think it's been like 4 months since I got my lips done, and I feel like it's time. I was actually on a waiting list. I was supposed to get them done like last month. It might have been like 4 or 5 months. I don't really remember when the last time was when I got my lips done, but I'm gonna be filming it for you guys today, so let's go do it. Hey guys, so I can't really move my mouth right now because I'm so swollen. So I only got to get that one clip that I showed you guys. I didn't want to get in her way, and also it was so much easier when I had like friends coming with me because they were able to, like, you know, go around and like not be in her way and like kind of do like an overview instead of like me putting my arms up when it's like completely in her way. Super swollen, like super swollen right now, but this is only the beginning. Also, my foundation is like wiped off completely, like around here, because she has to wipe completely around. So she's very sterile, very clean, and she's super nice, guys. Definitely go to Eileen. Her name is Eileen Barragan, and she is amazing. Super sweet. She's very accommodating. She knows exactly what you want. If you guys haven't seen my previous lip video, I have done, this is my 3rd time that I'm doing it. I did not film the second time. Yeah, I didn't film the second time. The second time I just like went in and like I did it. I was going to record the second time, but then I don't think anybody was with me either, so I didn't do it. But I only filmed it the first time, and it was freaking amazing. I loved it. So yeah, I'm really happy with the shape right now. Of course, they look like super intense because I just got them done. Also, I'm like still numbed up a little bit. It's going down. It wears out like pretty fast, like in an hour to be completely gone, but it looks really nice. And like I said, right now you guys might think that it's very intense, but by tomorrow morning they're going to be like the most swollen that they're going to be, and so by then they're going to be 50% bigger than what they're going to look like. And then maybe in like I would say 3 weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, my lips are going to be going down by 50%, and that's going to be my lips. So she said that I don't have to come back for another 6 months, which I think is a completely reasonable timing. I mean, she's the expert here. I trust her. The last time she told me that I should come back in 3 months, 3-4 months. She said that like we'll see. And then I messaged her and I told her, hey, like I want to come back. It was like, I told you guys, it was like, it's been like 3-4 months since I last came, and so I just came back and it was time for a refill, a little tune-up, you know. And I look really crazy right now, guys. I can't even like look at myself right now because like I can't move my mouth, and they just look really huge. But today she used a different product. It was like Restylane something, but it depends on the person, like what's best for you, because it is like, you know, it depends on your lips, it depends on your elasticity and just all of that stuff. So a lot of stuff just goes into play. I'm looking at them in the mirror right now, and this product that she used today, it was a lot more precise, and it's just like so cool how like depending on the different product that you use, it gives you a different result. So the first time I used, I can't even remember, but you guys can definitely go back to my videos if you guys want to see the first one that I ever did. I will link it down below so you guys can get more of a better feeling of how Eileen works, and it was amazing and got the whole process pretty much. So I'm going to pretty much show you guys throughout the day like what my lips are looking like, and I'm really excited because that's what I did in my other video. So I'm gonna show you guys like the process in like 2 hours. I'll show you guys what my lips look like, but I will see you guys in a few hours. Hey guys, I just woke up from my nap and I look really swollen. I feel like it's not that much of a difference, to be completely honest. My makeup's like all just off. My lashes are off. Honestly, I don't even know where the heck I put my lashes, so that's a little bit concerning because I only had those lashes for 2 days and they're really pretty. I can't really move my mouth right now. They don't really hurt, it just feels like stretched out, so it feels like a little bit more uncomfortable, I would say. And then I sometimes like so earlier it's so funny because earlier I was drinking water, and this hasn't happened to me before, but like I was drinking water, and since my lips are so stiff, I like drank it, and then like I kind of lost control of like the feeling in my mouth, and it just like dripped down my mouth, and I was like, and I really couldn't do anything about it because I'm not supposed to pucker my lips, and I'm not supposed to, you know, drink through a straw or anything. I'm not supposed to really do anything with my lips, just, you know, do my normal thing, no kissy lips or anything like that. So for a week I have to not do that, and then after that I should be completely fine. And yeah, so this is what my lips are looking like, and I really like don't see a huge difference in the swelling. I mean, I do see that they did swell some more, but in the morning, guys, just wait till the morning, because in the morning my lips are going to be humongous. Like they're gonna be like, I already know, because that's what always happens to me since I do have like sensitive skin. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Good afternoon, you guys. It is the next day, and I wanted to update you guys on what my lips look like. They did get a little bit bigger, but they were bigger in the morning. I'm gonna give you guys a little close-up real quick. This is what my lips are currently looking like, and I really like the shape of them. As you guys can see, right here on my top lip, it's like a little arch. Definitely not influencing this on anyone. I'm just showing you guys my experience, because just in case you guys were curious and had questions that people don't answer. So again, this is what my lips are looking like, and they are bruised. As you guys can see, they're way more bruised right now, but it looks like my top lip is bigger than my bottom. But I think it's good that she did that, because my top lip always seems to dissolve way faster than my bottom one, since over time, you know, they do get smaller and smaller. And then from the front, and then the other side. So you guys tell me. I can't really tell if my lips are a little bit more swollen. I feel like they are, or they were in the morning, but now I feel like they're kind of like the same size as yesterday, or they're calming down a little bit. But by tomorrow they definitely will be calmed down way more than today. I just really want to be able to wear makeup tomorrow, because I want to be productive and like do stuff. I also wanted to go to the gym, and I don't know if I can do all that, because you girls' lips are busted right now. And I'm trying to get you guys to be able to see, but if I look down, you can see that they do have like some projection, but again, it is because they are like freshly done. And see y'all tomorrow afternoon. It is day 3 since I got my lips injected, and I look like thing 1. The swelling has gone down like substantially from the second day, because now they're just kind of like, you know, compressing down, but they are going to get like much smaller than this. You're still gonna go down like 30%. So this is from the front, and then from the side. So that's what it's looking like. I'm actually really liking the results right now. They just are, you know, of course, gonna be a little bit more plump. So tomorrow's gonna be the first day that I'm going to actually wear makeup with it, so I'm excited to see how it looks. So tomorrow they are gonna be going down like a little bit more, so probably look a little bit more normal. And also I do still have like bruising right here. I don't know why it's like super bruised right here though. Like the rest of my lip is like pretty much fine, but right here it's just like, I'm gonna do my makeup and see how it looks like, and then you guys will see the final result. Okay. Alright guys, so I think today marks like a week and a half, maybe almost 2 weeks, that I've gotten my lips done, and they came out really pretty, guys. They still are swollen just the tiniest bit. I mean, the swelling has completely gone down, but they are going to be a lot more plump in the beginning, like I keep saying the entire video. So right now, this is how they look. So this is how they kind of project. So that's how they look. I'm actually very happy with the result, guys. So I highly recommend Eileen, so everything will always be down below to get her information. Again, this is not sponsored. Also, my light turned off. I hate that it freaking does that. And before I end this video, I do want to say that I am not saying that you guys should go out and get this. This was just my personal preference. But if you guys are and have been looking for someone to do this procedure on you guys, definitely I will have Eileen's information down below, like I did on the previous video that I did when I first got my lips injected. And I love them, so definitely I feel like she's the one to go to if you guys are in Southern California. She's great and very reasonable with her pricing as well. But thank you guys as always so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Hopefully this video was very informative for you guys that haven't seen my other video. And if you guys are new to the family, welcome, and I hope that you subscribe and turn on post notifications. And I'll see you guys in my next video, guys. Mwah.